welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage multiple wallets on Town Wallet. First, launch the Townkeeper application on your device. On the home screen, you can find the name of your wallet at the top of your screen. Click on it. Here, you can see Add Wallet option. Click on Add Wallet. Now, you can either create a new wallet or restore an existing wallet using recovery phrase. Follow the prompts to set up the new wallet. Now type in the name for a new wallet and click on Save button. On the home screen, you can find the multiple wallets. In the settings icon, you can see the name of your wallet. Click on Customize and you can rename wallets for easier identification. You can also remove wallet if you no longer need it. Make sure you have saved the recovery phrase for the wallet before removing. If you have multiple wallets, you may need to set one as a default wallet. This will be the wallet automatically used for transaction unless you manually switch to another one. By managing multiple wallets on Townkeeper, you can easily organize and keep track of different funds, projects, or accounts. Make sure to secure, store, and recovery phrase for all your wallets. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.